To make the light sensor circuit, we need LDR, photoresistor, NPN transistor BC547, LED diode, 10 and 1 kilo ohm resistor. So let's begin. First, we connect from the plus 12 volts DC power supply via a photoresistor and a 10 kilo ohm resistor to the minus 12 volts DC power supply. Then we make a connection between the resistor of 10 kilo ohms and the photoresistor, to the base of the transistor BC547. Then we go from the plus 12 volts DC power supply through a resistor of 1 kilo ohm to the anode of the LED diode, and the cathode is connected to the collector of the BC547 transistor. We still have the connection between the emitter of the transistor and the minus 12 volts DC power supply. Then we connect the power supply, and since there is light, the LED lights up. But if it gets dark, or if the photoresistor is covered, the diode turns off.